Hello and welcome to a new Magis Opti video. Today I show you how to create a material in Magis Opti. Under the material item there is a material database and a pull-down menu. If I open the pull-down menu, you can see my already created materials here in this list. If you want to create a new material, you go to the material database. Via the field Add, you can create a new material. At this point you can choose a name for your material, for example Span 19mm black, and you can also enter here the dimensions of your workpiece. You can enter a material thickness, for example 19mm, as well as a structure. This means if your material has a structure or a specific design, you can choose this here. Finally, you can specify whether you want to trim the plates. At this point we set the measure for it, for example 50mm. Have you entered everything, you can save it via this item here, and then close the material database. If you open the pull-down menu again, you will find in the list your newly created material. That's it already, thank you for listening and see you next time.